Assalamualaikum. In previous tutorial, we learned about Home tab and Insert tab of MS Word 2016. So today we learn about Design tab. Okay. Here I took some content and here is the Design tab. First ribbon is Themes. Here is so many themes. When we select a theme, the titles will change from here. Okay. Here are the titles, and from here, if we select a title, our paragraph will change. See? Okay. Here is the theme color. From here we can change our color. When we change the color, the title also changed and effect also changed. Here. Okay. Next is fonts, theme fonts. So many fonts here, and select one, which one you like. And next is paragraph spacing. No paragraph space, compact, tight, open, relaxed, double. Here, this, tight, compact, no space. We select the double. Okay. We can also add it here effects if you need. Then watermark, page color and page border. We will change the page color and we will add the watermark. Select on. If you feel need page border, then add it from here. Select a border style and border shape, none, box, shadow, 3D, custom. You also can add it border color here, and weight and art. and here you can select here section and apply. Okay, now watermark ribbon. Here to add watermark we can custom watermark also. Here custom watermark, you also choose here, but you want a custom watermark, then select here and if you want to custom watermark, edit picture from browser, or selected file where you want the select exactly picture. Here picture watermark and select picture. To edit watermark we custom watermark here and select a file from here. If you want custom watermark, also can edit from a file from browser, or edit a picture by one line. We also can edit here by search online. We can also search here. Like this. Here so many pictures, delicious strawberries, fresh. Okay, I select one, insert, and wait a few seconds for downloading this picture. Okay, this cancel. We'll try another. This one. Okay, now we can add scale 500%, 200%, on 50%, 100%, 50%. Okay, I select auto and withdraw wash out. I like it and apply. Here our watermark, here strawberry. Okay, now I put a title. here. In this way we can design our page, our content or paragraph or document. Okay. If you like this video, then do not forget to share, comment and like. Please do it. Thank you.